Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in bright white. With full speed forward collision warning, active front air dams, 20-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated seating, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, second row in-floor storage bins, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjt.com, stock number D7945A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.